So hey, welcome back guys to the Bagley Tech. In today's video we are going to explore 5 AI tools which will help you automate your work and will help you in daily life basis. So let's get started. First, open any browser and I will explain why. Okay, go to Grok. Now I am pretty much sure that most of you have heard about the Grok for making Ghibli images most of the time. But what if I tell you that it can also generate a report for you, and a detailed one if you are a office worker or a college student? Here's how. First, we are going to give it a prompt. Suppose first type role colon, oh sorry, colon, why the hell it is not working, colon, right. Now give a role, whatever role you you want him to give. In my case, I want to like explore cybersecurity vulnerabilities and assessments, so I will give him role of cyber expert. Okay, now press shift plus enter to enter in new line. Now here we will type our objective. All right, objective colon. Now give your objective. In my case, I will give search for latest 0-day virus. Okay, now we have given him the objective. Now let's give him context. So shift plus enter, context, context, context colon. Now give him the prompt like what you want to create. In my case, I will give him prompt like create oh, create oh, second, create detailed detailed analysis report report. Now we have given him in the prompt, but optionally there's an another category you can add. This is data category. I will explain what to do in this category. Suppose you have a PDF of your required topic, so you can upload it in the Grok as a data in the data column, so it can search it from there and create your detailed analysis. In my case, I have no PDF for it, so yes, I will like back it out. Okay, once done, you have seen this bulb icon. Click on it and select expert, and then give him the prompt. Now as you can see, it is thinking about it in the sides, and it is also searching the web. As you can see here, it will take around 1 to 2 minutes or 3 to 5 minutes depending on your search or your objective or context. Alright, as you can see, it created a detailed report of cyber expert here. Objective is here, context is that threat intelligence. Here's the executive summaries with including key highlights, heading, subheading, everything you need, and you can present it in Office by copy pasting it, or like creating it by yourself. So this was the first tool, Grok, for creating the detailed analysis report. Now suppose you are a student or a professional who wants to create slide deck just in a minute for presentation within few minutes. For businessmen, the slide deck can be useful for presentation in meetings. As for students, how slide deck is useful? Well, it is for creating college files, school files. So in this case, we are going to use a tool named NotebookLM. Here it is the first site. I will provide link of all the AIs in the description, so don't worry about it. Also check out the pinned comment as well for the links. Click on it and click on try notebook LM. Now it's loading my notebooks. As you can see, I will click on create new. Now here what you can do is, either if you have file, you can upload it, or upload YouTube links or your drive, or you can like search your queries here by giving prompt 2. So let's give him the same prompt like we did in Grok, but with few changes. Whatever then, detailed analysis of 0-day virus. Yes, sorry for the interruption. So as I was telling you to give its new sources, so yes, we will continue with this. So detailed virus analysis of 0-day so as you can see, I have given him the prompt. Either you can search it from the web, or do fast research or deep research. In my case, I will do fast research for video purposes, so I will hit here. Now it's researching the website. As you can see, it has completed the first research and it has like imported. Let's see how much it imported. Yes, so it has imported 10 sources. Let's import them. So hit on import. Alright, it's actually importing the PDFs too. As I told you, it also finds PDF along with reports and everything. So yes. So what I am going to do, pause the video here and resume it once the uploadation is done. So as you can see, it has imported all the reports and PDFs files about bypassing modern sandbox, case study, M trends, technical. However, it cannot imported one source, so we will leave it as that. However, note one thing also, that some things might not import due to copyrights. So yes, it's better if you import it by yourself most of the time, or if you are importing, just remember that it's not copyright, otherwise the presentation or slide deck will have issues. Okay, so now you can see here multiple options. We can either create, generate AI podcast, video, mind maps, reports, flashcards and quiz for students, infographic, slide decks, data table. So yes, if you see pencil icon, what this will do, you can customize the slide deck. As you can see, option detailed deck, presenter slides, language, and you can even describe how you want the slide. So we will leave it as default. Now since it's done, we will create on slide deck. What this will do, as you can see, it's generating the slide deck based on 9 resources. Why 9? Because this one has failed. Now since it's generating it, let's move on to our next AI. Since it's generating, next is AI is our Wispr Flow AI. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard about it in YouTube ads everywhere. I'm pretty much sure that you have heard it. I mean, in your second or third YouTube ad suggestion, you have seen it. So, what is this AI? Let me tell you. And its downloadation is simple. Just download for Windows. It will and log in through your Google account. It will download a setup file. Just run the setup file and follow the instructions. Simple as that. Alright, Since I already have installed the Wispr Flow in my system, I will just open it. As you can see, the Wispr Flow has activated. Now you can close it. Now suppose I'm going Google. Alright, I'm on Google, and let's take Grok example again. So open Grok. Now I'm going to give it prompt, but without typing this time. So I will hold control windows, role colon cyber expert space objective colon detailed analysis of zero-day virus context colon create detailed report of zero-day virus. So as you can see, it has created the same output I typed earlier without any further hesitation. Why? Because I typed it with my voice. So yes, also you can use it for Gmail without when we use chat GPT voice or something, we stop or stutter, the entire prompt like goes bang. One wrong move and entire prompt goes the tata bye bye. So yes, it will save your time. Also, it's used for coding too, and trust me, I have personally used it for coding. So let's go. I will open Visual Studio Code here. Since as you can see, now what I am going to do is, oh sorry for that, I am going to create a calculator in Python. So I am going to give it prompt again. Import sys import math a is equals to 2, b is equals to 3, print a plus b. As you can see, it has some errors, like it always starts with capital letter and Python requires a small letter. So you can fix it by yourself without any problem. So yes, now if I click on run, wait a second, can't open search file. Alright, wait, where's the go button? Run and run. Dedicated terminal. We have to first save it. As you can see, it has given the answer. So yes, you can use it for coding too. Alright, so that's the Wispr Flow for you. Next up, we have Replit AI. It creates your website within your just a minute without any problem. You can even publish your first 2 apps for free. So what I'm going to do is going to create app. Suppose I want to create a blogging site app for my Bagley Tech channel. So what I am going to do, I'm going to give him prompt, but instead of typing I will use Wispr Flow. Generate an blogging app for my YouTube channel Bagley Tech with new automatic videos. So as you can see, it has taken the prompt. Now click on start. Workspace is loading. Now I know the video is taking long, so but please don't leave the video in like mid watching, and also please like, share and subscribe. Okay, it's working. The preview should be available soon. I will build a blogging site. Here it's first check. Seamless integration with third-party tools. Generate AI. Preview will be available soon. Since it's in like preview will be available soon, let's check if our NotebookLM AI has generated slide deck or not. Wait, where it is? No, it's still generating. Okay. Since both of them are working, let's move on to our fifth AI, which is Julius AI. Suppose you have Excel sheet and you want to analyze it. Julius AI. Alright, I will provide link in the description as usual. And talk to, no, we want to try Julius for free. Obviously you guys need to always have a sign up Google account as usual. I always do. Okay, click on continue. Sign into Julius AI. Now it will first ask you what you are. Since I am a student, I will click on student. Continue. Where did you heard it? Search. Obviously I can not tell him the. Alright, calibrate Julius, interact Julius, and let. Suppose I have a PDF or a Excel sheet. Here is my college Excel sheet, housewifeList.xlx. So I will open it. I will upload it into the Julius. Julius is analyzing. So I can give him the prompt for like, give me key insights sites. So once the prompt is done, click here and it will upload, it will code and give you the key insights. Alright, it has given us the the name of every house. Since it was a college list, so that's why it was overlapping. Now I can also ask him to generate, wait, what am I even typing? Generate 3D interactive sorry. Alright, it will can also generate 3D. Alright, it has given the 3D direction. We can download it from here. Since now you can see it's downloaded. Wait, yes. Now if you click on it, you can see it has created a 3D summary of all three houses, and it's interactable. Like it can tell you house name, how many students are there, everything. So yes, that's that. And our slide has also been created, so let's check it out. Wait, expand the, oh sorry, expand the viewer. As you can see, it has created a good slide, a very detailed slide. Wow. And you can also use it especially for student. If you want to create files, you can use it. This is slide function for creating files too. Alright, so we have covered the NotebookLM 2. Now let's see if Replit has built the login app I gave him. As you can see, it has created my Bagley Tech login tech 2 for latest video, articles, everything. System online latest video, and it's interactable too for latest video, system login, everything. And you can publish it from here if you have custom domain and everything. So yes, so that was it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe, and also tell me in the comments that you like the video. Also I have a request that please you guys must watch the entire video in order to understand everything. I have seen that most people are leaving my recent videos like half a minute or a half video, and they couldn't understand anything. So please watch the entire video before leaving. Also I'm thinking to create a video where I will show you how to install Flare VM on the Windows 10 for cybersecurity purpose. So yes, also check out my previous video where I installed Tor browser. And please again like, share and subscribe. Until then, stay safe, stay secure and goodbye.